Gentlemen of first grade, I proudly welcome you to Olivia's second story play. Please put your hands together. She came late in the school year, but we can still do this for her second story play. She missed her first one. Are you ready? Are you ready, Julius? All right. Once upon a time, there was a guinea pig named Olivia.
What's happening?
Here we go. We're in the middle of the story. And she went to the park every day.
Herself.
At the park one day, she found a little chick. Watch the show. She asked her what her name was, but the little chick did not know how to speak. So she tried to teach the chick how to speak. But it was very hard because she didn't speak chick. Finally, the chick learned how to speak because she found 3 other chicks. And their names were Sabine, Carmen, and Sabina. And they taught the little chick how to speak. Because, of course, they knew how to speak chick. They had a little party because the little chick knew how to speak. After the party, they went on a walk, and they could all speak to each other. But uh-oh, the little chick accidentally spilled the guinea pig's drink that she was saving. So Olivia started screaming. But the triplets said to the guinea pig, "There's lots more juice to drink, so please stop crying." All right, who's the bear? All right, Miranda, you come over here. Then Olivia said, everybody started screaming. All right, home, go ahead, set up, Ezra, set up the home. So they ran all the way home. And when they got home, they had a little celebration. Because they didn't get eaten by the bear, of course. And because they could all speak to each other and understand.